Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. We've got a really nice 7x18 here. This has got heavy axles underneath it, heavy frame, it's insulated windows, whole lot of goodies on it. You guys can view all of our inventory always at coloradotrailersinc.com or give us a call 303-688-8485. Now this one again is a 7x18. This is a solid, stout little trailer. You guys have extra tall diamond plate rock guard, diamond plate wrap on the corners, and again, as you guys can see, it is on a heavy-duty 6-inch frame here instead of a 4-inch frame, which is standard for this size trailer. You've got an electric front jack and a battery with a battery box here on the tongue, so you can have that additional 12-volt power to run your interior and exterior lights. Here's a good shot of this side. This also has a 7-foot interior height in it, so it's going to have some additional height for you if you are going to use this for multi-use and stick UTVs in there and stuff on the weekends. Now you have a side door with the RV lock and cam bar. Back out a little bit here. A couple of party lights off the side as well. And again, 5,200-pound torsion axles. You've got a beautiful aluminum wheel with that as well. It's on a 6 lug. One of the windows. Stabilizer jacks underneath. Of course, you've got a rear ramp door and then a couple of load lights off the back as well, so you'll have light on the side and back of the trailer. Interior's insulated again with some windows. 7 foot. Your interior dimensions are going to be just a couple inches under. So we have about 6'10" width. You'll have about 17'10" in length, and again, 7 feet floor to ceiling. Beautiful rows of E-track in each of the walls, all finished out. You've got aluminum wall and ceiling liner in here. Our performance Nudo floor, like what we use in the off-road trailers. Tons of interior light. You've got 8 puck lights, which is sweet. You guys are gonna have some serious interior light in here if you need it. And then you also have a roof vent for some additional ventilation. Plus these windows, like we said, these are a slider window with a screen. You've got a light switch back here to flip on and off those load lights. And then this also has dual steel transition flaps. So you've got a transition flap here that goes from trailer to ramp, and another one here that will go from ramp to ground. So if you guys need a trailer to wheel stuff in and out of easy, this is the ideal setup. 3-year factory warranty with this trailer. We have all the specs of it online as far as weight and payload capacity. And again, go to coloradotrailersinc.com. You can find it on there and check it out. Send us an email, sales@coloradotrailersinc.com, and we'll get back to you. We also ship if you guys aren't here, so give us a call. We can get you a shipping quote if you need to get this delivered to your door. And be sure to like and subscribe. And as always, you guys have a great day.